Let's start the solution. So we have given the temperature of the city at time t is equal to 44 plus 13 sin pi t by 12 degree Fahrenheit. So here we have given the time period from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we know that the average of a function ft is given by f average is equal to 1 by b minus a integral a to b ft dt. So here we have a will be equal to 0 and b will be equal to, there are 12 hours from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So b will be equal to 12. So now average temperature T will be equal to 1 by 12 minus 0 integral 0 to 12 44 plus 13 sin pi t by 12 dt. So it will be equal to 1 by 12 and integral of 44 will be 44t minus 13 cos pi t by 12 into 12 by pi, and limit is from 0 to 12. So it will be equal to 1 by 12 44 multiplied by 12 minus 13 cos 12 pi divided by 12 into 12 by pi minus 44 multiplied by 0 minus 13 cos 0 into 12 by pi. So it will be equal to 1 by 12 44 multiplied by 12 minus 13, and it will be equal to cos pi into 12 by pi and minus, so it will be equal to 0 minus 13 cos 0 into 12 by pi. So it will be equal to 1 by 12 and 44 multiplied by 12 is 528 minus 13 cos pi is minus 1 into 12 by pi minus 13. So cos 0 is 1 into 12 by pi, which is equal to 1 by 12 into 528. So it will be plus 13 into 12 by pi, and it will be equal to plus 13 multiplied by 12 by pi, which is equal to 44 plus 2 into 13 by pi. So it will be equal to 44 plus 26 by pi. So it will be approximately equal to 52 degree Fahrenheit. Hence, the average temperature is 52 degree Fahrenheit approximately.